For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Doge future while talking about DOGECOIN cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and any kind of other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, certainly not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like DOGECOIN, which is genuinely huge. Presently, how about we head into it, or so they thought. Before we dig profound into the DOGECOIN value forecast and answer questions in the event that Doge for the most part is an essentially wise venture or not, for what reason will Doge fundamentally succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will DOGECOIN value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history in an unobtrusive manner. DOGECOIN price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable, especially bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled extremely high in the midst of the more extensive market essentially drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a sum by and large green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a for the most part nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to especially do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many basically times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical fundamentally potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. DOGECOIN price prediction 2022. 2022 September plus 0.47%, $0.0706. 2022 October plus 2.22%, $0.0718 in an unobtrusive manner. 2022 November plus 4.81%, $0.0736 in an exceptionally significant manner. 2022 December plus 5.99%, $0. 0745, 2023 Jan plus 12.32%, $0.0789 in a significant manner. 2023 February plus 15.45%, $0.0811. 2023 Mar plus 19.60%, $0.0840. 2023 April plus 16.22%, $0.0816. 2023 May plus 23.92%, $0.0871. 2023 June plus 21.53%, $0.0854. 2023 July plus 30.52%, $0.0917. 2023 August plus 26.00%, $0.0885 in a significant manner. Doge price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to $0.1033 in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around $0. DOGECOIN price prediction 2030 to 2040. What DOGECOIN will sort of be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees DOGECOIN coming to $0 in 2030. What DOGECOIN will generally be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or for the most part overwhelm BTC. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to in every way that really matters, reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10 in a by and large enormous manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to truly reach $10 in the sort of short or midterm period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our determining model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a really brilliant future for Dogecoin in an unpretentious manner. It truly merits purchasing just as an especially transient theory with a decent leave methodology, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin most certainly is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest in that frame of mind in a significant way. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage contest from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't basically stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't basically have a veritable local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is problematic, which fundamentally is very huge. Might Dogecoin at any point truly make you a tycoon? No, Dogecoin could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time later on in a kind of significant manner. How much will Dogecoin be worth in a significant manner? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0664. In the especially long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will in all likelihood drop to zero or somewhere around there in a significant manner. For what reason will Dogecoin in every practical sense succeed and get more expensive in an unobtrusive manner? Dogecoin sort of has a remote possibility of succeeding, or so they thought. It has no first-mover advantage, it brings no sort of remarkable incentive, it explicitly has a feeble group and little local area behind it, which is very critical. All of this generally summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost for the sort of long haul. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of ventures will by and large fizzle, a few new businesses are made just to accumulate reserves and vanish, some would deal with the opposition, however most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly, are futile for the market.